Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and I crash a lot. For the past few years, I've been using a 2x4 on a dumbbell for balance practice as part of my workout circuit. I went this route because an Indo board costs around $200, and fuck you! $200 for a piece of wood and a cylinder? I can make that on my own, but I never did. Until now. And here's how to make one for yourself. You can get everything you need at a hardware store for under $30. You need lumber, PVC, and grip tape. I went with a 4-foot-long 2x6 for the balancing surface, with 2x2 blocks on each end so I don't slip off and the board doesn't fly off the pipe.
Abracadabra.
I went with 6-inch PVC because I had no idea what this thing was going to do, but after some use, I'm going to get a few more pipes with larger diameters. I placed the grip tape at 20 inches to match the peg width on most dirt bikes. I also wrapped the PVC in grip tape because I thought it would help roll the cylinder instead of slide, but I don't know if it matters because I'm so damn heavy. The 4-foot-long balance board offers a variety of balance challenges. The standard foot peg width is pretty straightforward, but as soon as I go wide, or half, or angle, I feel like a newborn elephant. Using this board is going to be fun for about 10 minutes before I get pissed off, then fun again after I get better. If you have any suggestions on how to improve my balance board, or if you made one of your own, let me know in the comments or on social. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.